I by far am nicer to the fucking ducks than I am the chickens. You give them a nice little house to lay eggs in. And they lay them over here. What's up, turkeys? They lay them over here. They lay them up over here. You know? Bitches. You gotta track them all down. Yeah, you assholes. Then it's like, in the little house, they lay them in there. I gotta crawl in this motherfucker. I'm not amused. Damn it. Homestead tip. Homestead tip number 1. Don't do this when you're sick and think out about their housing a little bit better, because crawling into this motherfucker ain't easy. I'm not even bothering y'all.